Lightning Express, Unpacking the Phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, Lightning Express. This phrase is not just about speed. It's about history, technology, and the evolution of language. Let's dive into the world of fast trains and faster expressions. Lightning Express refers to something extremely fast, like lightning. Originally, it was used to describe trains that traveled at high speeds. But why lightning? Lightning is a natural phenomenon known for its incredible speed and power. By comparing a train to lightning, people emphasized its speed and efficiency. The term dates back to the 19th century, during the early days of railways. Trains like the Lightning Express were among the fastest modes of transportation of their time. They symbolized technological advancement and the triumph of human ingenuity. Today, the phrase has transcended its literal meaning. It's now used metaphorically to describe anything that's extremely fast. It could be a delivery service, an internet connection, or even someone's quick thinking. The key element is the extraordinary speed. 1. The new broadband service is like a lightning express. It's incredibly fast. 2. She solved the problem with lightning express speed. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, emphasizing swiftness and efficiency. For English learners, understanding such phrases enhances your language skills. It's not just the words, but the history and culture behind them that enrich your understanding. Remember, idiomatic expressions like lightning express add color and depth to your conversations. I hope this exploration of the phrase, lightning express, has been enlightening and enjoyable. Such phrases are windows into a language's soul, revealing history, culture, and evolving technology. Keep learning, and soon you'll be speaking English at lightning express speed.